Oh, USD Swiss, okay. Wow, came up perfectly to this 50%. Wow, that's awesome. Okay, so this is one of my favorite pairs. We'll delete this. We'll get this all set up for the month here. We'll delete this as well. And then we'll leave this zone here. Delete this. And we're going to figure out our monthly ranges. So it's clearly bearish. It's way below this moving average. On a month, it usually moves about 375, I'd say, on average. So, right, which is what I already have marked here actually, so that's perfect. But now I have to figure out where our entry would be. So, based on this, I don't see a ton yet. I like these bottoms here. I like that, you know, if I was to look at a fib level on this last leg here, price comes back up to here, so that does make sense to me. Something like that. If you're looking at a weekly, I mean, this is probably where I would wait for price to head to before taking a trade. I don't see anything right now. If the next few days, let's say this is the new, you know, resistance area. If price doesn't break this area for the next like few days, then I would consider maybe setting something up and taking a position here. But until then, there's just not enough evidence to make me want to take a trade. I like this area up here based on the 50% retracement of this leg. I like that there's wicks here and that price, you know, held above this before and now most likely will hold below. So I want to wait for price to come to this zone. And then what I will do is I will move these, my monthly parameters here. So I have an idea of the trade I kind of want to enter. Again, price loves whole numbers, so we will set this right at 89. And then we will set this at 85.25. So that's your 375 pips. Would be something like this. I'd probably take it early, but depends on what the price action looks like once price gets to that area. But we'll shoot for September 1st. You don't have to hold the trade this long, but I like to position myself to hold the trade this long if I have to, or if I want to get the most out of the position. Because if I'm taking a sell here, I might as well ride it out for the entire month instead of just taking, you know, 15-20 pips. So let price come up to here. I'm going to set an alert, and then we will see what happens when price gets to here. We'll check it again in a few days. If nothing happens, let's say it starts breaking lower and, you know, its price has resumed bearish momentum. So like right now it's bullish. It's making higher highs, you can see. So, but it might get to this moving average and start rejecting, start heading lower. You know, might break one of these mini zones here. You can see right there. So we'll leave all that for now. But I do have a lot of confidence in this pair, so if once it hits either, you know, up here or starts breaking these, I feel pretty good about entering a short position when necessary. So that is dollar Swiss.